Well, hello again. It's always great to chit chat with you guys on the Mighty YouTube channel. Please subscribe if you don't mind. Joincorey.com. That's the link if you're interested in checking out LiveGood. And if you're already in LiveGood, let's talk about what you should do every time you walk by your computer and you got a few minutes. You should look at your statistics or your referrals tab because you never know if someone is going to pre-enroll or if they're going to go ahead and join. And it's important that you at least write them a quick little email. And what most people do is they'll write a real nice one for pre-enrolled people and get a nice one for people that have actually joined. And you can just copy and paste. And it's always nice to put their name. So if Bob joins, it's like, hey, Bob, man, I'm so excited for you. Thanks for joining. And this is an example. And I'll put a link, or I'm sorry, I'll post this message below my video, and I'll just say, hey, hello there. And what I'll do is I'll put their name usually where the ... is. And some of the names that join, man, I have no idea what they're tough names, I'll tell you. So anyway, nice to meet you. Here's a link for you. It's one of our team training sites, and it's packed full of good advice and tips, solid training, okay? Then I send them this link because we have training, and it's just advice and tips and of ways to do things, all right? And I'm going to start doing an insane amount of really quick videos where it's mostly how to. At the beginning of the video, I'm going to go how to do this, and then I'm going to show you, and that's it. No random chit chat, because that's definitely my specialty, huh? Get a username and password set up. Like you go to GoDaddy, spend maybe $11.50 and get, if your name is Carolyn, you can always try to see if joincarolyn.com is open. And if it is, you can forward it to your LiveGood capture page. Or, if you have another capture page before that, if you're doing a lot of emailing or if you have some ideas that you want to do. But you really get good at 1 to 2 things, like Facebook, email, Insta, Tiki, maybe video, and just pace yourself, get comfy, do what feels best. I use Nowsite, and this is technology that I use. And of course I promote it because it works for me. And if it works for me, I know it can work for you. Just do exactly what I do. And you can always tweak it and do what you'd like as well. But there's 2.2 billion people in its database. Okay? You can get it. If there's a link below my video, and you can put code 49 if you'd like. And other than that, it's just good to thank them and just put, hey, if you have any questions or you need some help, CoreyDraper.com. That's my website. Whatever your, I'm sorry, God, I'm all cluttered here. That's my email address. And whatever your email is, you want to support people that were kind enough to pre-enroll or sign up. And I know that you might be a little awkward or shy or whatnot, but be excited and just sit there behind your computer and go, dang it, I had someone sign up. This is so cool. And hey, this is Corey. I'm kind of new. Thank you. Let's learn together. Here's some training. Here's this. I watch Zoom calls. Just help each other a little bit. And that person that signs up might be an MLM expert from Avon, Amway, USANA. Because the best part about this company is you can't just call up a leader, or you can't call up the company and say, hey, I'm badass. I represent a whole country. Sign me up. I want to be at the top. It's like, well, it don't matter. This is a 2x15 matrix. You can make just as much money on level 15 in someone's group as number 1 right underneath the company, okay? Someone has to sign up underneath an affiliate. Why not it be you, okay? Because your affiliate link is just the same as someone that's a leader or someone that's been doing it for 2 months. But you got to realize this company's 6 months old, and there's about 55,000 people, maybe 60,000 that have signed up just in America. But I'd say 75 to 80%, 90%, they're going to probably try to do some things on an affiliate side, and they're probably just going to not do it because it's summer, and they're going to go biking, hiking, triking, Disneylanding. There's a lot of stuff that get in the way, or you just get confused or intimidated and you just quit. But at least you're locked in for a year. That's the beauty of this company. Why? Hardly anybody quits this company unless they just do the $9.95 real quick, buy some products, kind of look in the affiliate side and go, I can afford to be an affiliate, but I just don't have the time. It's summer and I promised way too many things to my family and my kids, and I got to build a tree house. And that's cool because if they sign up for a year, they're locked in and you make $5 a month off that because out of the $9.95, the company gives you 5 of that every 30 days. So that's awesome. Wonder if you get 50 people signed up. 50 times $5, it's a couple $100. Man, it's like a free gas all month. And that's every month, not every year. Every month, man, you could have a couple, $250, $300 coming in. And that's people that have quit and just lose focus. And then maybe by winter time, they're like, okay, it's boring again. I did all my vacation. Let's look at this LiveGood thing and see if I can just share information on watching a video. Because that's all you're going to do anyway. If you're new, don't over-explain this in an email. Don't over-explain it on a street level. Just say, it seems to be working for a lot of people. Watch this video. And I think after you watch it, you can figure out if you want to do it or not. And that's the best way to do it. I think our most successful people, that's kind of what they focus on. They just say, watch the video, and let me know. And if they watch it and they put in their email address and their name, Bob watched, there's his email. Every day for 30 days, the company sends out a nice email just to kind of remind them what's up. I once a day will go, hey, Corey here. Let me know if I can help. That's all. If I put 11 words, that's too long. I just kind of, and I do that every day. What I do is I collect every single person that's pre-enrolled. That's going clear back to March because I'm on my 3rd month doing this. But I keep all my pre-enrolled, and unless they click opt out, I know that for 30 days that at least one email is going to those guys. And believe it or not, I have people that wait a month. And William, sorry to talk about you so much, William, but William joined a couple days ago, and he said it took me 2 months. It was 60 days, and I said, dang it, I'm joining this darn thing. So it's very common to get a hold of the same person 5 to 7 times. And yesterday I had a couple people blown away by that, and I made a video just saying, hey, sometimes you delete something or you get so much email that you lose, like, oh, there's that LiveGood thing I was going to look into. Or maybe it goes in a spam folder. Or maybe they just say, God, I'm in a bad mood. I'm not looking for extra money right now. I'm fine. And then three weeks they lose their job and go, God, maybe I can do something online to at least make $500, $100, maybe $5,000. So, but don't be so shy. Don't think, oh my God, people are going to find me and smack me one because I'm giving them an opportunity. And all they are is just watching a simple video. Okay? You're not doing anything that's crazy and wacky. It's just you're trying to find nice targeted people. I hope you use artificial intelligence if you get stuck. Try it, attraction marketing. That's just where you post a bunch of stuff and people come to you. I've got 12 million people that have looked at my video just on one of my YouTube channels, and that's awesome. But, you never know. Sometimes you got to go ahead and just find people and present them an opportunity. Just like this opportunity was presented to me. My upline, I have no doubt he's probably going to make $250,000 off me. Do you think he regrets getting a hold of me saying you should look at this? Would you like to make $250,000? Would you like to have someone like me signed up underneath you that just produced his 900th video since March and it's only June? There's maniacs out there like myself that think this is fun. Okay? So dare to post and don't be embarrassed. LiveGood is a cool company. Stand up proud. I've got hats, I got shirts, and I'm a big fan of Lego and Harley Davidson and muscle cars and kicking ass and taking names. But I got LiveGood hats and LiveGood t-shirts, and of course I don't have them on right now. Although, to prove my point, I do have my LiveGood hats. See? I'll wear this to a Harley Davidson event because I'm proud of LiveGood. Plus, I know this company is going to probably make me pay cash for another Harley Davidson I don't need. And how about that? Or at least maybe a Harley Davidson Lego like this one on my shelf. So, okay, thank you guys seriously for watching my videos. I have a lot of fun on YouTube. I have a lot of fun in LiveGood. And I think if you join, scrape together $49.95. Or if you got an extra $100, just lock in for the year. Do the $40. It's a one-time charge. And let's sit back and figure out what's the best campaign for you on just getting people to pre-enroll and sign up and do it again and do it again. And let's get hundreds of people in your downline. And then we'll have tea. And then we'll go like this. I got a fresh drink. I'm going to salute you right now at my 10-minute mark. All right, I just opened up a drink. It's sugar-free, calorie-free. So cheers to you signing up and getting you some people in your downline. I just brushed my teeth too. The first drink after brushing your teeth is kind of, it's not as bad as orange juice though. Okay, below this video, joincorey.com. Below this video, Nowsite. And if you want AI technology, just put in code 49 and save you a boatload of money. All right, guys, you take care. I'll see you next video. Bye.